Google Chrome is a great browser, but sometimes your browsing history can get cluttered. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your browsing history on Google Chrome for Android. This is a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. So if you're looking to keep your browsing history private, be sure to watch this video until the very end. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Google Chrome app. Then tap on these three dots at the top right of the screen. And then scroll down to the bottom. And from this list of options, tap on Settings. And then when you are on the Settings screen, scroll down a little bit and tap on Privacy and Security. And then when you are on this screen, you will see an option to clear browsing data. So go ahead and tap on it. So now you can select the time range that you want to clear the browsing data. So you can select the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 4 weeks, or you can clear the all-time browsing history. So for this example, I am simply going to select the last hour and then tap on this Clear Data button at the bottom right to clear the browsing history. Then tap on Clear. And that will delete the browsing history of the last hour. So it's really simple to clear your browsing history on Google Chrome on your Android phone. So if you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.